Hi everybody, this is my site number 4. This site is one called Shodor.org. What I like about this particular site I found is that it has all kinds of um, modeling applications that allow students to experience what it looks like to understand mathematics. So, for example, they cover things such as topography and algebra, geometry, graphing, uh, problem solving, trigonometric functions, all kinds of things. And each one of these is an application that allows students to go through a process to hopefully construct more deep understanding about the topic. The one that I want to focus in on is this, a very classic problem that they have. It's called the simple Monty Hall problem, with two goats, one goat behind one door, a second goat behind the second door, and a super prize. And it shows the probability of winning if you choose to stick or choose to switch. And students can go through the process of seeing the result of their choice. And in the long run, the probability ends up showing them just what's the best benefit, whether they should switch when given the choice or whether they should stick. Part of the reason why I like this is that it really does a great job of helping students construct and visualize what's taking place, and that's actually one of the most difficult things in math, is to visualize what's actually being asked. A couple of the standards that I think it's appropriate for this is use technology to personalize learning experience that foster independent learning, and also to foster a culture where students take charge of their learning goals, and allowing them to work on interactive puzzles does that in both cases.